Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Friday the 20th of June, and as you can see from outside, we're having some partly cloudy conditions at the moment. Checking the satellite, we can see there's not much upper level cloud here. It's fairly dry in the upper levels. However, in the lower levels, we're seeing some of these cloud patches here move across and produce a bit of cloudiness and the potential for some brief, light, isolated showers. So we expect conditions today to be partly cloudy with the potential for some brief, light, isolated showers. Now, the ridge is a dominant feature affecting Barbados and the Windward Islands, giving us this easterly breeze ranging from 35 to 45 kilometers per hour. Consequently, we do have a yellow wind advisory in effect because these winds may move smaller, lighter, and some unsecure objects. Now, we do expect the ridge to continue being dominant into tomorrow and a bit the weekend, so we expect to see some of these higher winds continue again into the weekend. Now, along with these winds, you'd also expect to see some increased swells. That's why we're seeing swells between the 1.5 to 2.5 meter range at the moment. Combining these winds plus the swells, we do have a small craft advisory issued, as these conditions can make navigating a bit harder for small craft operators. We expect these swells and these winds to continue into the weekend, as I mentioned before, so as always, we recommend that you exercise caution. Taking a broader look at things now. You can see we have tropical wave number 13 here to the southeast, and it's expected to traverse to the south of Barbados, not really affecting us sometime today. More interestingly, we have tropical wave number 12 that's supposed to affect us Sunday evening going into Monday. So while we expect conditions today, tomorrow, and a bit on Sunday morning to be partly cloudy, we expect that by Sunday evening or so, conditions may become cloudy with the potential for some light to moderate showers. Now behind that, we're seeing tropical wave number 14, and that's supposed to affect us from Monday evening, Monday night into Tuesday morning. But I'll be here Monday to brief you on that and update you on what's going on. Taking a look at sea conditions now. We're going to have first high tide at 11:19 this morning. Second high tide is expected to be at 11:19 tonight. First low tide was at 5:07, and second low tide is expected to be at 4:46 this afternoon. Sunrise was at 5:33, and sunset will be at 6:27. And that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, thanks for watching. Enjoy your weekend and stay safe.